Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week we're doing some stamping, and I am ready, raring and ready to go. We have got plate Maniology MO54. We're using the camo image. We're going to be stamping in the opaque, the colored opaque stamping, colors, sticky stamping. I'm having trouble with my words already. Opaque sticky stamping polish. We're going to be using the pink and the gray for camo. I cannot wait. We got some nails here. We've got one nail done, so I can give you a mind's view of what the mani is going to look like. There's no glitter, there's no pigments, this is all sticky stamping. We're going to be having, of course, our bling nails, so we've got 3 nails here left to stamp together. Ooh, we're going to crack on, as they say in the UK. So I'm going to take my pink. Yeah, I'm going to take my pink. And my gray. My SheModern scraper. I'm using a Maniology stamper. Let me go with this nail here. I've got 2. Oh, that looks cute. Let me see here. I have 2 stampers by SheModern. I can only find one of them. I don't know where it's at. The other one, I'm not going to bust open my new one that I have never opened. I refuse to, but I can't find my other stamper. So, we're going to use a Maniology since we're using a Maniology plate. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to go back in with our image. Change it up just a little bit. Change it up just a little bit. So I'm gonna hope we're in frame here. With the sticky stamping polishes, you have all the time in the world to play. And what do we got left here at the bottom? There we go, there we go. I don't want every nail to look quite identical. Sweet. I'll clean my stamper. Don't forget to clean your stamper in between each use. Clean your plate. That way to keep them looking beautiful. Ooh. That was way too much sticky stamping polish. I could get 2 images out of what's right there. Holy cow, Batman. So watch how much you're using, because you don't need all that. That was such a waste. Where's my nail? There we go. Let me see what we can get. Beautiful. Beautiful. So clean your plate one last time. I know I ruined my manicure by not using a cotton cloth. I know. I've got, my tips are worn because of it. See? Not on the other hand, though. So I need to bring out the gloves, find the cotton cloth, one of the 2. Something. Clean your plate, clean your stamper. I will do that later off camera. Here is our manicure for today. We're going to put some SheModern shiny glossy top coat on. Off to the side here, I've got some bling. Whoa, how was it closed? That I'm going to be using. But we're going to top coat first. SheModern's got the glossy top coat. They've got a matte. They have got a satin finish, which should be really, really beautiful. The satin's great for taking pictures. But Tina always says, use the satin for taking your pictures. Okay. Tina's got all the tips and tricks. Cover your nails really well. The nice thick glossy top coat. I don't care if you use a lacquer, gel, make sure you always have a nice thick glossy top coat. With lacquer, I'm a firm believer in the fast drying top coats. My favorite is Such Feet. Get just a little bit more here. Make sure our nails are covered. Make sure. So, we're gonna go in here with this big old pink one. Release. This feels kind of loose. Yeah, it was. There we go with those. And get me a couple of the littles out. Oops. These are oh so tiny. Oh, these are not the same size. Snap. We're going to put a little bit of bling on. Just a little bit. Here we go. This is everything for today. For these move, I'm going to pop them in the lamp and give these a full 60-second cure. Alrighty, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. Our manicure is complete for today. I think these turned out really well. Loving the camo print. Loving it. You can do these with any sticky stamping polish, any variety of colors. SheModern.com. Use my ambassador code NailedIt67, all in caps. I guess it don't matter if it's all in caps or not, but NailedIt67. Treat yourself. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all. That way you get notified of any uploads, all uploads, and any giveaways I have going on. And I do have a giveaway. From now till January, I am giving away twice a month to 2 lucky winners the set of the black and white sticky stamping polish. Let me get it. 2 lucky winners will receive this. I will be mailing it out myself. It's USA residents only. I'm terribly sorry about that, but I can't afford international shipping, I'll be honest. So if you have never tried, this is for new users only, not to replenish for the people who already experienced it. If you've never experienced SheModern.com's white and black sticky stamping polish, this giveaway is for you. If you know somebody that would be interested, by all means, please share. Please share. This manicure was done with the pink and gray opaque sticky stamping polish. I think these are beautiful. Beautiful. Definitely something to have in your arsenal. Definitely something to have. So leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. I want to thank everybody who took part in the 5-year anniversary giveaway. Love you all. Have a blessed day and thank you.